Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming essentials: power, network, and your Google credentials. On the Tcl remote, press the Home button, then open Settings, right arrow, Network to join Wi-Fi. Once connected, return to the home screen and choose your profile or the sign-in prompt. Make sure two-factor authentication device is accessible. If you use an authenticator app, have it on hand. This avoids interruptions later and keeps the flow smooth as you move into account entry. Next, you'll enter your Google account details. Choose Sign In and pick either remote typing or the quicker use your phone option. Scan the QR or visit the pairing URL shown. Type your email, then password. If you mistype, use the remote directional pad to correct characters. Once credentials are accepted, review permission requests for syncing apps and services and confirm. This links your Google profile to the TV and enables personalized recommendations and app access. Finish by completing any required verification. Approve the sign-in on your phone or enter the 6-digit code from a message or authenticator app. Once confirmed, the TV will sync apps, preferences, and recommendations. Give it a minute. Check Settings, right arrow, Accounts to ensure the Google account appears and toggle any sync options you want. If something fails, restart the TV and router, confirm network strength, then remove and re-add the account. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.